Hi there, students. Stable, an adjective. Stably, the adverb. And stability, the noun for the quality. Okay, so if something is stable, it doesn't change. It's not going to fall over. It's firmly established. It doesn't fluctuate. It's permanent. Yeah. So, his mind is very unstable. Yeah. It's not firmly fixed. Yeah. The patient is in a stable condition. Their condition is not getting better, but it's not getting worse. It's not changing. Yeah. It's not fluctuating suddenly. Let's see, humans seem to do best in stable conditions. Clearly, the weather on our planet is no longer stable. We have affected the stability of our weather. Yeah, so something that's stable is something that doesn't change. Yeah, the foundations of this house are stable. Yeah. Do you have a stable job? Yeah, a stable job. A doctor normally has a stable job. Yeah, a part-time job. Yeah, or one that you can only do in the summer is not stable. It's a bit unstable. Yeah, so he's mentally rather unstable. Yeah, but he seems to be a little bit more stable these days. So notice as well, a stable as a noun, this is where you keep a horse. It's the building that horses live in. Yeah. So there are the horses in the stable. Also, a stable can refer to a group of racehorses that are trained by one person. So I believe Bruff Scott had quite a stable of horses. Yeah. Okay, so a stable. You can then use this to talk about a group of people. Yeah, who are they do a similar activity, or they're trained by the same person. So, I don't know, I guess Picasso and Dali are from the same stable. Maybe. Yeah, or from the stable of rhythm and blues. Okay, you stable a horse in a stable. Yeah, but stable as an adjective, firmly fixed, not likely to move. Yeah, so with that ladder, be careful. Make sure the footing is stable. Yeah, a country needs stability in government. Yeah, okay. Resistance to change, consistency. Without a great deal of change, something that is stable. So I'm not sure how. Yeah, this table is reasonably stable. Yeah. Or maybe you've got a table that moves from side to side. Put a wedge of paper under a corner, which will make it more stable. It will give it stability. Yeah. If things are very tall, yeah, with a very small base, then they're a bit unstable. They tend to fall over quite easily. Okay, so stable, a structure that's not likely to overturn, firmly fixed, solid, steady, secure. It's not going to fall. Medically, a patient is in a stable condition. He's come out of the emergency room, and he's certainly more stable. Yeah, somebody could be emotionally stable, mentally stable, sane and sensible, not easily upset. Yeah, a stable relationship. Yeah, a good marriage needs a stable, firmly established relationship that's not likely to fail. Strong, steady, steadfast. yeah, and then the stable, a building that is just for keeping horses. Yeah, and then a stable of horses, a stable, a place where racehorses are kept and trained, and then a stable, a place producing a particular type of person or a particular type of product. So, I don't know, for example, iPhone, iPad. There are many different products from this stable. I would probably call it the I stable. Yeah, and that seems to be a pretty stable business. The stability of that business is quite impressive. So stable, stability, 5 informality, use absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, okay, so the stable for horses comes from French estable, from stabulum, a stall or a stand in Latin. And then something that's stable, that doesn't change. This comes from stabilis in Latin. Yeah, something that's firm or steadfast. So enough. Yeah, is Windows stable? I think the stability of Windows is a bit dodgy. So enough. If you enjoyed if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Stable, stability.